What is up, guys? And it has been a very long time since I have done a construction diecast review. And today, well, we are going to make a little long-awaited return to that. I know I've been doing a lot of racing content recently, and I'm really trying to diversify my channel. But today we are going to look at a model that came out quite some time ago, the Diecast Masters Caterpillar D10T2. So yeah, let's go ahead and look at the packaging first. Very nice picture as always. You know, it's the typical packaging. The only reason I showcase is because it's different for every model. And, you know, here's the specs and stuff. So yes, and we will be doing a comparison to its littler brother, its sibling, the Cat D10T. So anyways, you have a very nice big blade up in front with some nice cutting edge detailing. You have your rock guard up top. Very nice color differentiation on it between the black and the yellow, which I really do appreciate that on the dozers. It really does make them look cool. The blade will raise that high. Its cut angle, that's it. It's just enough to raise the front idler off the ground. All the handrails on this model are metal, and you do have a couple opening compartments which show some very basic but welcomed engine detail, and that is indeed on both sides, as you can see. The graphics are nice and sharp as you'd come to expect. Tracks roll very nicely. There is no actually functioning rollers, which again is pretty standard. You do have your fire suppression equipment on the back, as well as a very complex looking ripper assembly. This is as high up as it will go. It's a very stiff mechanism, but it will cut down just enough to be acceptable, and it does tilt forward and back very minusculely nonetheless, but it does function, but it could be a lot better. Anyway, so as you can see in the cab, you do have as the light comes on, you do have a nice Cat branded seat and nice detailing. Now, where is the guy we've become accustomed to? Well, actually now he is an optional feature. He does come with all the new models, but you can choose to put him in or not. Now, I kept him out because I actually put him on one of my shuttle buggies because he looks better on there. And I might sneeze here in a second, so please excuse if I do. Okay, anyways. You can see the nice details in the cab. You have your joystick controls. You can see that gray control or joystick, that's for your ripper. The angled seat. You know, the detailing for the price is very nice. Go ahead and pop that back on. By the way, it looks really weird without this piece. Anyways, as we pop it back on, we have a complete and proper model again. Underneath, you can see Diecast Masters 1/50th scale, made in China. Insert Donald Trump, China. You do have 2 exhausts and 2 air breathers. And yeah, one cat or a single cat logo on the front. I wish it would be Caterpillar, but it's not. So let's compare it to its little sibling, the D9T. You can see the size difference, and the D9T within itself is a pretty decent sized model. It's a very, very nice piece. And actually, I'm gonna go as far, I'm gonna compare it to, if you'll bear with me for 1 second, Otto, the last 1/50th scale Cat D10 that we got. And of course, obviously the graphics have been updated, but here is the D10T by Norscott. Like I said, the graphics have been updated on the model, so this is the best looking in my opinion. And as you can see, how times have changed in over 10 years. But overall though, in a score out of 10, and I know I've been very brief with this, but nonetheless, out of 10, I would give this model a very solid 9 out of 10. The really one thing that detracts from it is the ripper functions are, to put it very briefly, garbage. Yes. And I just realized my D10T is missing a stack, but whatever. My older D10T, excuse me. But the ripper functions are garbage, but otherwise this model is fantastic, and it's 9 out of 10, highly recommended. So with that, thank you guys for watching. We will see you in the next video, and as always, guys, peace out.